Hello everybody and welcome back into PristineFrog Gaming or PristineFrog Guides now. Today we are back in the Twitch dashboard or the creator dashboard, and today we are going to be talking about the settings options available to you through this menu and interface. And this is the fourth or fifth video in the short video series. And you guys have been liking them, and I am happy that you guys have found them useful. Other people have not found them useful, and you've been very vocal about that, and I'm sorry. My videos aren't for everybody. So let's look at the first thing we have here. We have the stream key and preferences available to you. This is where you find your stream key, turn on disconnect protection. I've never actually used that. Maybe in the future I will. You also have where you can be, make sure you have the ability. You can also do mature content, which I don't do, and you also have latency mode. For the VOD settings, you can turn on and off storing VODs, you can always publish VODs, and you can exclude categories. So let's say I'm playing Dead by Daylight and I don't want VODs on my channel for that game. I can turn those off and it just won't save those VODs, but every other VOD it will save. Down below, we also have clip settings. You can enable clips. You can exclude categories like you did above. You can make it so that only your followers can or your subscribers can as well. Permissions. Who do you have permission to edit for? Nobody. Who do you have permission to edit for you? Nobody. Raids. You can allow raids from friends, teammates, and followed channels, or block all raids. That's an option you can do. I don't know why you would, but you can. Channel settings. This is the About You section, and this is where you can set it all up at your username, your display name, as well as your bio that is going to be up here and what it says. I don't think you can actually change this. Nope, you sure can't. Okay. You can only change the capitalization of it. Got it. Okay, thank you. I know that now. Anyways, and then you also have your bio that you can do as well. And then down below all that, you have your social links. You can put your link title and the URL in here, and these links will appear to the right of your About Me, which shows up at the bottom of your stream every time. Brand material, your profile picture, your profile accent colors, your profile. It looks pretty cool when you customize it. Your profile banner, and then of course your video player banner. This is your I'm offline stream right now. Here is your scheduler if you have a schedule, unlike me. And then featured content. This is where you put a channel trailer. Now the channel trailer is 60 seconds. Yeah, it's only 60 seconds. So you have a 1-minute trailer to show people what you are all about. Moving on from that, we also have auto hosting rules. Display each for personal or as they appear in the list, and then you have your list here of priorities. You also have the recently streamed categories and your streamer shelf that you can have either auto host list or teammates on. Following right along, we are on the moderation. This is where you're going to be setting up all of your moderation tools and stuff. You have block terms here, where you can add and block terms that you don't want to see in your chat, and you also have permitted terms that are allowed by you or a mod. Ban evasion detection. This is pretty new, but they're using AI to determine if somebody is on this list and using an alt account. So it's interesting. It's already caught a few people. I'm like, what? Chat options. Blocking hyperlinks. You have non-mod chat delay. Give your mods a little bit of extra time to react to somebody's inappropriate messages. You also have the email verification stuff and the phone verification stuff, which came from the hotspot raids and trying to put it into all of that. You also have your chat rules. I have too much here. Nobody's going to read this, guys. Nobody's going to read that many. I would say the ideal range is 3. If you can get 3 to 4 rules on here and that's it, you're probably going to be better off. Nobody's going to read all this before they press OK. But if you have like 2 or 3, I guarantee you more people will look at those rules. They might not follow them still, but more people are going to look at those rules if you only have those 2 or 3 on there instead of having 18. Or, in my case, like 8 or 9. It's not that beneficial to have that many guys. So let's just, sorry. Just take off all that. And we'll add in some little okie dokie stuff, okay? Let's see here. No self-promotion. No promoting. Okay. Pretty standard rule for everybody. It's common courtesy not to be promoting yourself or others unless it's coming from a raid. Okay, and let's see, what else we got here? Yeah, let's follow Twitch terms of service. Be over the age of 13. No politics, religion, etc. Politics, religion. Or Pokemon. Yeah. Sorry. Total brain fart. It happens. Anyways, we'll just leave it at that. And there you go. Oh, wait. No personal info. Don't be talking about your age. Don't be talking about your location. All that other bull. You don't need to be sharing that online, people. There we go. We are set. Okay, now the unban request, you can make it so they can't solve that. Follower-only mode, etc. Stream survey, it just helps them know you. And the Twitch affiliate stuff. This is where you're going to come for your onboarding, which we've already done, so we're not going to go into there. Changing your payout method, your affiliate agreement. You also have your subscription names. That's right, guys. You are Frog Grunts, Frog Officers, and Frog Commanders. You didn't know that, did you? They don't actually get used. Twitch is like, here, set these, but we're not going to use them ever. You also have your emotes, which are down here, and we will go through that stuff in a future video. So we won't really go over all of that just yet. Let's go back. Thank you. We also have subscriber badges where you can upload your subscriber badges to help recognize those people who have been subscribed to you for a while. We're a little over 9 months old here on Twitch, so we're getting there. The other settings you have are you can make your subscribers still watch ads. You know that? They're always like, oh, I don't have to watch ads. I can just make you play ads. You can get them. Get them. No, it's fine. Don't do it. Ignore slow mode. Your subscribers can ignore slow mode. You have subscribers only, follower only. And you can also set it to your subscribers. If you are getting spammed with bits, 1-bit donations, you can turn these up to 10 or 5, whatever. And then you also have the tier bits, and you can see how many people we have at what tier. Keep going down, you have the community support and recognition. The hype train settings, you can turn on and off. You can set the threshold higher, or what I would probably do instead if it ever happened to me is I would set the level goals higher from easy to medium. Basically, this is a way, like if you're streaming for 4 hours, 5 hours, and you have 2 hype trains and you're coming across them all the time, you could turn this and make it a little bit harder for them to actually do that. Now, why would you do that? If you're getting that much support, maybe, I haven't done the logic on it, but maybe they'll be still willing to fulfill those goals for the hype train if it's higher. So, I don't know. I don't know anybody that does it, but hey, if they do it, they do it. More power to them. Cooldown period for the type trains and whatnot. Coming down here, we have the leaderboards. This is how many bits and cheers, bits and gift subs have been donated. And you can change it to reset weekly, monthly, daily, etc. Celebrations. That's actually the confetti and the balloons that show up when you complete the hype train. So I don't know what that is right now. It just got added in, but that's what you see when you have the hype train. You see a celebration when the hype train completes. Then we have the dreaded ads. You can turn them on or off. I have them on because 30 seconds of ads will stop 10 minutes of pre-roll ads. That means that if people come into your channel, they're not hit with a pre-roll ad right away. One of the biggest disadvantages to being an affiliate is the ads. But I'm pretty sure the pre-roll ads are still going to be there for everybody now. So eventually this is coming to an end right here. They're starting to look at paying affiliates and partners to run ads, and they're starting to look at paying us more. So you're going to be seeing more ads. I use them. I haven't noticed a significant amount of people angry or upset about the ads. A few people are like, hey, give me 1 minute. I'm caught at an ad right now. You know, no one's been angry about it. If they are, then sorry. But yeah, I'm happy that they have this in here now. I got this a while back, the ads manager, when they first introduced it. I was happy about it. You can also change the start delay, which we should probably do, because we spend like 3 minutes doing nothing at the beginning of stream, so I might as well put some ads in there. That way, if people come in, they'll just think it's pre-roll ads, right? So we're going to do that, have that up there. So 2 minutes an hour, not bad on the ads. And that is it for this section right here. You can turn on the pre-roll ads or turn them off, pre-roll notifications. You can also see the revenue share for advertisements, which is 350 clicks per million, which are actually clicks per 1,000, but whatever. Stream ads. This is the little thing that pops up like that. You can turn those on. I have those turned on as well because they help out. And that's it, guys. That's everything you need to know about the settings tab here on the Twitch dashboard. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye-bye.